How to enable or disable meter connection in Windows 10 PC and laptop. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way on how you can enable or disable meter connection in Windows. So to begin with, make sure that you're already connected to an internet service and also make sure that you're connected to the particular meter connection. Now to begin with, right click on your Windows tab. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. From here, you'll need to go ahead and tap on network connection. You can also go ahead and tap on the gear icon, this is the shortcut way of doing it. So now while you're on this page, go to Wi-Fi. After that, select the particular meter connection. Once you've done that, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see meter connection. Here, in order to disable it or to enable it, toggle the button right in the corner, and after that you've successfully disabled. And if you want to enable it, do the same procedure, just tap on it or toggle the switch. You can see that you've successfully enabled it. So in this way you can enable or disable meter connection on laptop or PC. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.